Okay, so here we go. Here's our brand new Consew triple feed cylinder arm walking foot machine. See at the bottom we have the foot pedal and also another foot pedal that will actually raise the pressure foot, and that releases the tension feed as well. If there's too much shaking, I apologize for that. But this is the hand. Also, in order to thread the bobbin, it's pretty traditional. So anything in red, they made it pretty simple for us, right? That right there is where you would drop some oil from time to time, depending on the usage of the machine. Also here, this right here, there's a plate here, so you loosen this up here, and you also put a little bit of oil, a drop or two of oil, not a lot, in here. So I like this here because this makes oiling very simple, very simple. You don't have to overdo it, you just put a little bit in. Just a little bit. They say a little bit goes a long way. So as you can see here, I clamped the light. You can put the light anywhere, but we're going to see how that goes. It's magnetic, so I just want to put it there and we'll test it out and see how that works for me. Yeah, really happy to get this, because if you're making bags or anything that's like tight or hard to reach in areas, having a cylinder arm will surely help facilitate that with ease. Also with this machine, it's a servo motor, so I'll show you that. So here's the servo motor, and with the servo motor, if you're familiar with it, you have the opportunity to change the speed, and the lowest speed is 350. And we'll see if we can zoom in on that. There you go. You have the opportunity to change that to give it a lower speed. But in addition to that, because I'm going to be sewing on a lot of leather, we also got this speed reducer attached to it. So this, you see this big wheel with the pulley. That right there is the speed reducer. And so it will actually slow this baby down to a crawl if you need to. So one good thing about the speed reducer with the servo motor, one, the servo motor is very quiet, so you don't hear a lot of rumbling, and you can already reduce the speed pretty much significantly slow. But with leather, once that needle punches into the leather, you're done. So with a speed reducer, it just helps you out a little bit more to get that down to a crawl in certain areas, or when you're pivoting and stuff like that. So here, you lift this, put this down, and the pressure foot goes down. You lift it up, and the pressure foot goes up. So you can see that when you release the foot pedal, it automatically releases the pressure foot. Let's check it out. Lift this up. Get the fabric underneath here. Okay. Oh yeah, looking good, looking good. So that right there is about, here you got 2, 4, 6 plies. So here's 7 plies, and you can see what that stitch look like here. Looks good. Here's the back side. See if you can zoom in on that. But that's what the stitches look like on the back side. And this is the front side. So you can tighten up the tension a little bit, but overall pretty happy with that. There you have it. So you can see where this machine will definitely be beneficial as it pertains to bag making. Hopefully we got something out of that. The next video I'll make, hopefully it'll be a project that I'll be working on, and we saw how well this machine hold up. Okay, thanks.